book I discuss about the future with nanotechnology, your guide for understanding it. Whether you're a student, researcher, professional, or just curious, this book covers everything you need to know about nanotechnology, from basic principles to the latest techniques and applications. Learn about the history and development of nanotechnology, the unique properties of different nanomaterials, and the innovative methods used to create them. See how nanotechnology is making a big impact in fields like medicine, environmental science, energy, industry, and everyday products. This is my research in this regard, and I studied at the university when I was computer engineering and artificial intelligence student in Norway, and I had some courses related to nanotechnology, and this invoked passion to understand nanotechnology better, a culmination of my research. And I also provided my insights in regards to nanotechnology. You will stay informed about future trends and advancements, including new materials, nano robots, AI integration, and space exploration. I wrote books about the space as well, from the basics to future innovations. So it helps you with your research, with product development, and it's a good book. I highly recommend buying this book. Thank you.